In the ever-evolving landscape of modern warfare, France stands tall as one of the most advanced nations in air combat technology, pushing the limits of precision, speed, and stealth. By 2026, France has not only refined its core platforms like the Rafale fighter jet, but has also invested heavily in future systems such as the FCAS 6th-generation fighter, advanced missile suites, and smart autonomous drones. France's air combat doctrine emphasizes multi-role flexibility, strategic reach, and electronic dominance, all while operating under NATO standards with its own independent technological innovations. This combination of European unity and national military pride places French air power among the global elite. From the outside, France's flagship jet, the Dassault Rafale F5, immediately presents itself as a machine of lethal beauty. Sleek lines, radar-absorbent coatings, and a design that perfectly balances aerodynamics and agility make it an iconic multi-role aircraft. By 2026, the Rafale has undergone several significant upgrades, leading to the F5 variant, a version fully equipped to survive and dominate in high-threat environments. Visually, the twin-engine layout, delta wings, and canard configuration offer not only superior maneuverability but a distinct silhouette that sets it apart on the battlefield. With gray camouflage or navy blue naval variants, Rafale aircraft blend seamlessly into sea or sky. Alongside it, France is testing the Future Combat Air System, FCAS, which will feature even sharper lines, stealthier angles, and embedded AI-based sensor fusion systems. Its exterior remains conceptual in 2026 but already points to a machine optimized for invisibility and speed. The nEUROn unmanned stealth drone, shaped like a flying wing, adds another layer of futuristic presence to France's air fleet. Internally, the Rafale F5 features a next-generation cockpit system. With a wide-angle holographic heads-up display HUD, touchscreen controls, and a pilot helmet interface, the jet offers an immersive digital experience. Pilots are surrounded by modular display screens that feed real-time radar, weapons data, and sensor fusion output. The Spectra electronic warfare suite has also been upgraded, providing jamming, detection, and decoy capabilities without pilot intervention. The cockpit ergonomics are tailored for high-G engagements, ensuring pilot comfort and awareness during intense dogfights or long-range strike missions. Furthermore, the F5 version now features improved data sharing with other French and NATO platforms through Link 16, enabling joint situational awareness in real time. Meanwhile, FCAS prototypes introduce virtual reality-assisted helmets, AI mission advisors, and voice command systems to reduce pilot workload. The aircraft interior no longer simply supports the pilot. It acts as a co-intelligent system. Even the nEUROn drone, while unmanned, includes a command interface for manned-unmanned teaming (MUMT), bridging